Tooth decay, also known as dental caries or cavities, is a common dental problem that occurs when the hard outer layer of the teeth, enamel. As the decay progresses, it can lead to pain, infection, and eventually tooth loss if left untreated. Understanding the stages of tooth decay and how natural home remedies can be used to slow or prevent its progression can help maintain good oral health and reduce the need for extensive dental treatments. In this article, we will explore the 6 stages of tooth decay, along with natural remedies that can support oral health and potentially reverse early damage. Stage 1. Demineralization, early decay. The first stage of tooth decay begins with demineralization, where the enamel starts losing essential minerals such as calcium and phosphate. This occurs when bacteria feed on sugars from food and produce acids, which weaken the enamel. At this point, white spots may appear on the teeth, indicating the start of decay. This stage is reversible, and with the right care, enamel can remineralize. Coconut oil pulling is an effective natural remedy for demineralization. This traditional practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in the mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. The oil works to reduce harmful bacteria, which minimizes the risk of acid production that can weaken enamel and lead to further decay. By regularly practicing oil pulling, you can help decrease plaque and bacterial load, supporting overall oral health. Another powerful remedy is green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and fluoride. Green tea not only helps reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, but also promotes remineralization of the enamel. Drinking green tea on a regular basis can support enamel health and reduce acid production, contributing to the prevention of tooth decay in its early stages. Stage 2. Enamel decay. If demineralization is not addressed, the decay will progress to the next stage, known as enamel decay. At this point, the enamel begins to break down, forming tiny cavities or holes in the surface of the tooth. While the damage is now irreversible, it can be managed with dental fillings if treated early. However, early intervention with proper care can still slow down the decay process. First up, calcium-rich foods. Foods like dairy products, almonds, and leafy greens are packed with calcium, which is essential for keeping your teeth strong. Adding more of these to your diet can provide the minerals your enamel needs to stay healthy. Next, a more unique option: eggshell powder. Eggshells are naturally rich in calcium and minerals. Some people actually grind them into a fine powder and mix it into their toothpaste, or even apply it directly to their teeth. It's believed to help remineralize and strengthen enamel over time. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can help protect your teeth from enamel decay and keep your smile healthy and strong. Stage 3. Dentin decay. Once the decay reaches the dentin, the softer layer beneath the enamel, it progresses more quickly. Dentin is less mineralized than enamel, making it more vulnerable to acids. At this stage, the cavity deepens, and you may start experiencing tooth sensitivity, particularly when eating hot, cold, or sweet foods. To deal with toothaches caused by dentin decay, try these 3 natural remedies. First, clove oil. With its natural pain-relieving and antibacterial properties, just a small amount of clove oil applied to the affected tooth can relieve pain and kill bacteria. Next, garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful antibacterial compound. Chewing a clove of raw garlic or applying crushed garlic to the affected area can fight infection and soothe pain. And finally, turmeric. This natural anti-inflammatory can be made into a paste with water or coconut oil and applied to the tooth to relieve pain and fight bacteria. These simple, natural remedies can provide fast relief from toothaches caused by dentin decay. Stage 4. Pulpitis, pulp damage. As the decay progresses, it reaches the pulp, the innermost part of the tooth containing nerves and blood vessels. This stage is known as pulpitis, and it often leads to severe pain and discomfort. The infection in the pulp can cause inflammation, and if left untreated, it can spread to surrounding tissues. At this stage, natural remedies can provide some relief, but professional dental treatment, such as a root canal. Here are some natural remedies. 1. Saltwater rinse. Gargling with warm salt water helps reduce inflammation and bacteria in the affected area. Saltwater rinses can also soothe pain and promote healing. 2. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate tooth pain. Chewing on fresh ginger or applying ginger paste to the painful area can reduce inflammation and provide relief. 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has natural cooling and pain-relieving properties. Applying a few drops of peppermint oil to the affected tooth can help numb the pain and reduce bacteria. Stage 5. Abscess formation. If the infection in the pulp is not treated, it can lead to the formation of a dental abscess, a pocket of pus at the root of the tooth. Abscesses cause severe pain, swelling, and sometimes fever. This is a critical stage, requiring immediate dental intervention to drain the abscess and prevent the spread of infection. Here are some natural remedies. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying diluted tea tree oil to the affected area can help reduce infection and swelling. However, this is only a temporary measure and should not replace professional treatment. 2. Onion. Onions have natural antibacterial properties. Chewing raw onion or placing a piece of onion on the affected area can help reduce the severity of infection and pain, providing some relief before seeing a dentist. 3. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek has antibacterial properties and can help treat infections. Drinking fenugreek tea or applying a paste made from fenugreek seeds to the abscess may provide temporary relief. Stage 6. Tooth loss. In the final stage of tooth decay, if left untreated, the damage becomes so extensive that the tooth can no longer be saved. The infection may spread to the surrounding tissues, causing significant damage to the gums and jawbone, leading to tooth loss. At this stage, the only solution is extraction or tooth replacement with dental implants, bridges, or dentures. While natural remedies are no longer effective, they can play a role in preventing tooth loss by addressing earlier stages of decay. Here are some natural remedies. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Regularly rinsing your mouth with aloe vera juice or applying it to the gums can help prevent gum disease, a leading cause of tooth loss. 2. Probiotics. Maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the mouth is essential for oral health. Consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or taking probiotic supplements can help improve oral hygiene and prevent tooth decay and gum disease. 3. Neem. Neem has been used in traditional medicine to promote oral health. Using neem toothpaste or chewing neem sticks can help reduce plaque, bacteria, and gum inflammation, which can lead to tooth loss. Tooth decay progresses through 6 distinct stages, from early demineralization to tooth loss. But with early detection and the use of natural remedies, it's possible to slow down or reverse the damage in the initial stages. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.